These exquisite earrings are crafted with care and showcase a delightful combination of elegance and natural beauty. The earrings feature a round-shaped design, carefully dangling from the earlobes, creating a graceful and eye-catching look. The main focal point of these earrings is the captivating Baltic amber stone, exuding a warm and alluring honey color. This natural gemstone sits at the center of each earring, radiating a warm and inviting glow. Baltic amber is renowned for its unique appearance and is cherished for its rich history and organic origins, making each stone in these earrings truly one of a kind. These earrings are designed to be lightweight, ensuring a comfortable wearing experience without compromising on their visual impact. They are perfect for adding a touch of natural elegance to any outfit, whether for a special occasion or as an everyday accessory. With their mesmerizing honey-colored Baltic amber stones and stylish metal frames, these dangle earrings make a statement of timeless beauty and natural allure, making them a cherished addition to any jewelry collection.